guys, Brooks, back here with another video today. I have an announcement today. You may have noticed that at first, right, when I started uploading at the very beginning, I used to upload every Friday at 3 p.m. EST. Then sometimes it was like a day off, right? There was a little shakiness, and now it's kind of like you haven't seen a video from me for like 2 days now. Like it's been 2 days, and you guys are like wondering, okay, well, what's happening, right? It's like you upload weekly. It's been 2 more days, and you were supposed to upload 2 days ago. So basically, what is happening now is I decided to change my uploading schedule. So instead of a regular uploading schedule, which I know most of you guys probably liked better, um, I'm gonna do a random uploading schedule. There are multiple reasons. One, I wanna make higher quality videos. I'm not saying that my videos are bad right now; they're very good, but I wanted to make it better and more easier for you to understand, so that way it takes a little more time. I'm also getting a little busy these days, so it will take some time to do all that stuff. And a week just doesn't seem like enough. I'll try to upload bi-weekly maybe, but like it also takes a little time to think of ideas, understand how to describe, understand how to explain them, record them, build it on my own, add little extra little things that I like, things like that. Then editing and uploading, it takes a long time, and uh, yeah. So now we mainly have just some gameplay. So yeah, let's hop into it. All the projects I show you will be shown in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Love them, fave them. It'll be very helpful for the person. Alright, so this is just some gameplay to lengthen the video. Just, something light, something actually, there in the video. Alright, online cloud scrolling multiplayer platformer. Wow, that seems nice. Alright, let's try this out. Joining. Oh, that seems cool. Graphics ain't bad. Wow, that's kind of fun. Oh. Alright, okay. Oh. There's like checkpoints in this game, or oh, wall jumping. That's nice. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, okay, great. That was annoying. Wait, I see a wall there. But I want to go to it. Okay. Alright, so that was that one. So more games. A lot of platformers. I'm not really good at them. A contest. I'm just gonna ignore that. A 3 to rickroll. Let's see. This is interesting. Alright, Turbo Warp. For those of you who don't know, this is actually a great learning opportunity. Turbo Warp is a scratch mod, or it's a modifier that basically it compiles everything in JavaScript and then runs it in that type of player. So it makes it run way faster. Plus there's a lot of extra options. So there's 60 frames per second. You can go from like 30, which is the max in Scratch, all the way to 250 frames per second. We have interpolation, which makes it seem like it's a higher frame rate, right? But it doesn't actually make it run faster, and should not be used on products that primarily use pen. High quality pen allows the pen to look better, just better. Yeah. So I kind of like that. 60 FPS. Let's turn that on. Right. So there's some other stuff like that, but yeah, pretty useful. Wow, that is actually cool. That's cool. What's the instructions getting? Alright. But that is cool. It's a little laggy. Let's turn off 60 FPS. Maybe that'll help. Maybe not high quality pen. That's probably also. And enable work timer so it doesn't crash the website. But wow, that is actually cool. I'm not gonna lie. This is a very interesting raycaster. Speaking of raycaster, we're actually gonna be making something like this in our next video. A 3D maze. Of course, it's not gonna have all these colors and stuff. We can't control that, but we will use a raycasting system to make a 3D maze like this. This is a 3D game. We'll make that next time. All right, so that's that. Actually, you know what? Let's do another thing. I'll show you some cool stuff. Alright. So, go to About. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly disable my scratch add-ons and be right back. And we're back. So, my scratch add-ons actually hides the stuff on my request. So, we actually have a lot of cool stuff right here. But, in the statistics area. Now, this is actually cool. Now we actually get to see all the stats of Scratch, which is cool. Surprisingly, there's more remix projects than new projects. That's kind of sad. That is honestly sad. Oh wait, no. Oh, sorry, more new projects. Yeah, because like more remix projects, that would be kind of sad. Alright. So, most of them are project comments and studio and profile. Makes sense. Yeah, so there's a lot of cool statistics right here. Alright, so let's just look at some of the featured stuff. 3D castle. See, there's a lot of 3D raycasting stuff going on these days. Yeah. Wow, it's actually pretty high quality. Enable turbo mode for the better 3D effect. Okay. Well, the movement's a little weird, but a 3D house that's constantly spinning, full color and everything, that's cool. Wow, amazing. Also, let me go ahead and show you a quick project that I made. It's an AI car. I'll show you how to make that someday. It's actually interesting. I like how it's very interesting. I'll show you. Alright, so first I'll show you, then I'll explain it. Oh, whoops! I forgot to hide that. You're not supposed to see that. Alright. The fun stuff is not seeing it. Alright. Now, this is not pre-programmed. Okay, we have a couple pre-made tracks that I made. It works on all of these. And if you notice, it turns automatically. It turns different amounts automatically. It changes speed automatically. So it's pretty advanced. Now, these aren't pre-made. I'm not using like some type of background stuff to like test. Alright, this is legit different each time. Let's make a new one. Alright, so go ahead, new backdrop. I mean, if I made code, this would already affect the backdrop code. Go ahead and get the pen. It does use a lot of color sensing, so it's important that we get the correct stuff in. Something like this. Alright, let's try that. See, follows the line perfectly. Obviously, it doesn't know how to turn really, because of this extra bit here. All right, it thinks, oh, there's still road ahead. All right, it's not gonna. It doesn't automatically decide whether it should turn or not in which direction. It decides based on if there's stuff around it. So now let's just see why that happened. All right. So if we show the arrows, all right, show the sensors. I mean. Now using many clone IDs, see, you can see these sensors are kind of like bouncing around a little bit sometimes. Alright, now this is very interesting. Let me explain what each sensor does. So first of all, these little circle sensors, they tell us our speed, our direction, right? This little red sensor right here, I'm actually working on some arrows that'll tell it to turn, alright? So that's like the cue. But basically, we're using clone IDs, alright? We're using clone IDs, clone all that stuff up, position all these guys. Now, we have variables. We're detecting what color is touching what, right? Because there's a lot of layers. Alright, there's many layers of color. So here we have a purple inside, then we got a red, then we got white, then we got a little black thin outline. So the very black thin outline means we change direction by a fraction, alright? The white means that we change it by like a bit more. And the red means, okay, let's move a bit more, alright? Purple means like, okay, wow, it's a sharper turn, so let's go ahead, turn a little harder, right? And this is very cool. And yeah, then the AI car right here goes ahead and calculates all this, right? So the speed cap, alright, to make sure that we can't go faster than a certain amount. There's also a fade out. So if in case you notice, when we go to the green area, it doesn't touch the green area. It's right there, about to touch it, but it doesn't touch it just yet. And it kind of slowed down while it came. Alright, so I don't know how this works. Alright, I said if it's touching the color, then slow down. So it should technically be already outside. I guess it somehow did some magic or something. But basically, it slowed down. So that's that fade out. So yeah, this is a nice, interesting amount of code. Now to think about it, probably don't need to make a custom block for the AI, but probably would make some more lag. But yeah, alright, let's get one more project. Alright, wait, also, one more thing. Max speeds. Alright. So, the max speed on this thing is 4.5. Actually, the real max speed goes all the way to 6. That's very high for an AI car. They usually go ahead and just derail at a 4. Alright. It can go up to 4.5, alright? But on sharper turns, it will derail. So, want to be careful of that. Let's go ahead and hide this. Alright. Now, how about I also show you guys the speed. This look of the speed is very interesting. Alright. I have it in a slider because I actually like how the slider moves with the speed. And you'll see how the speed will keep on changing. Right, it goes to 4.6. Slows down. Right. This is basically it processing. A little laggy because of the screen recorder, but yeah. So it's very realistic, right? Fades out and stops right at the very pixel of it touching the green. Alright, let's go on to one more and let's call it a video. Alright, let's just do one more front page. Because these things change fast, so one more. Oh, actually, how about I should show you another one of my products, but it is a work in progress, so please notice that it will be a little buggy, it will be glitchy. Yeah, it's a clicker game, which is nice. Cash clicker. I really love the coin that I made. I don't know why, I really like it. I will put the link down in the description for this cash clicker. It'll probably be out in a week or two. Alright. So yeah. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and see. Oops. Yeah, there we go. So we have a nice coin. So we have a kind of parallax background. We got some decent art. The settings is not finished yet. So we have statistics, which allows us to see how many articles we get per second, money per click. We also have shop. So we get, all these kind of things. Standard article and stuff. Yeah. So let's enable low detail mode. What low detail mode does is, you can see, there's less gradients, first of all, or like in the background there was a bunch of shadows and that was a lot of gradients. There's no more coin rain. Wait, I forgot to show you that, guys, where basically you can rain coins. Now if I enable low detail, that coin rain, it's gone. Shadows is gone, parallax is gone, little glow around is gone, all that stuff is gone. And everything becomes a little pixelated. Why would I make it pixelated? It's just why? There's actually a reason for that. This isn't vector, alright? I drew all the high quality stuff in vector, and then I copied that same stuff, put it in bitmap, alright? Bitmap is known to create less lag, and it is working a little faster, right now, with this bitmap. I get much faster responses. Alright. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and grind for like 5 minutes and I'll speed this up. Alright, so we got more money per click. So go to statistics. And I can see this works. I got 3 money per click. Let's test this out. I have 5. I should be getting 8 if I click once. See, look at that. It works. So now let's try to get the auto clicker. Look at that. I'm making money just like that. $5 dollars, 5 money per time. Just click around a few times. I don't know how that works. Yeah. So we can see it's a very easy game, very easy going. But the farther you get, it gets a little harder because the prices, they really start to blow up. It's all based on maths. That way it goes on forever. So let's go ahead and keep on going. Alright, so you can see that I'm getting money pretty fast. Like really fast. Let's go stats. The lag is insane right now. It's a screen recorder and all the tabs that I had before still creating a little lag even though I delete them. Alright, so I get 21 money per click and 42 per second. You can already see I am rich, and this is just the standard version. There's no username based bonuses or anything. So yeah, in settings we'll have music, volume control, all those little special things. Yeah. So nifty little game. Yeah. So always just worth it to make people happy. And yeah. By the time you're watching this, it's probably open, and a little while after that, probably be done. Actually might not be done for a while because I got a lot of work to do. But by the time you're watching this, probably it'll be open. So yeah. Well, that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye.